Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am taking your math subject grade 1. Students, open your textbook. Lesson number 1, Introduction to Comparing. What is the name of our lesson? Introduction to Comparing. Students, we will understand that things have different size which can be compared. Students, list things that are smaller than समथिंग एल्स. बच्चों, आज हम दो चीज़ों में कंपेयर करेंगे. क्या आपको पता है? बिग मीन्स बड़ा, बिग मीन्स बड़ा, स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा, स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा. Some things are small and some things are big. Smaller and bigger. Some things are smaller than other things are bigger. Some things are smaller and some things are bigger. For example, a flower is smaller than a tree. Flower is smaller than a tree and tree is bigger than a flower. In this picture also we will see what is the picture of. It is big tree and this is small flower. Means tree is bigger than flower. Tree is bigger than flower and flower is smaller than tree. A blackboard is bigger than a pencil and pencil is smaller than a blackboard. In second picture we will see blackboard and pencil. Blackboard is bigger than pencil and pencil is smaller than blackboard. Means we can compare things that to find which is bigger and which is smaller. Which things around you are bigger than your bag, smaller than your bag? You have to compare in your house, in your class. आपके आसपास की कौन सी चीज़ें आपके बैग की तुलना में बड़ी या छोटी है, ये आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे कंपेयर करना है. हमने यहाँ पे 2 पिक्चर्स देखे हैं जिसमें हमने कंपेयर किया है कौन सा ट्री बड़ा है या स्मॉल क्या है, फ्लावर है. तो उसमें से क्या है, छोटा, स्मॉलर मीन्स छोटा, फ्लावर कैसा है, स्मॉल है, और ट्री कैसा है, बड़ा है. ट्री इज बिगर देन फ्लावर एंड फ्लावर इज स्मॉलर देन ट्री. Blackboard, in second picture we will see blackboard and pencil. Pencil is smaller than blackboard and blackboard is bigger than pencil. आज हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, कंपेयर किया है. क्या कंपेयर किया है, ट्री एंड फ्लावर एंड सेकेंड पिक्चर में ब्लैकबोर्ड एंड पेंसिल. इन दिस पिक्चर विच थिंग्स आर स्मॉलर एंड विच थिंग्स आर स्मॉलर. Tree is bigger and flower is smaller. And second picture we will see blackboard is bigger and pencil is smaller. We can compare things to find which is bigger and which is smaller. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, कंपेयर करना है दो चीज़ों में कौन सी चीज़ बड़ी है और कौन सी चीज़ छोटी है. Now we will see these 2 questions in your textbook. All students take your pencil in your hand and write down in your textbook. This is our first question. Circle the bigger things and cross out the smaller things. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, स्मॉल एंड बिग थिंग्स को कंपेयर करना है. कंपेयर करके क्या करना है, जो बिगर थिंग है उसको सर्कल करना है और जो स्मॉलर थिंग है उसे क्या करना है, क्रॉस आउट करना है. इन फर्स्ट पिक्चर वी विल सी व्हाट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ elephant and rat. First picture we will see elephant and rat. So which is the bigger picture? Elephant is bigger than rat. So you have to circle first elephant and cross out rat. Okay, can you do it? Okay, do it fast. And second picture we will see lion and ant. Which is the bigger thing in this picture? We will see lion is bigger and ant is small. So you have to circle first lion and cross ant. And third picture we will see there are 2 balls. How many balls are there? 2. But one ball is big and one ball is small. So which is the bigger ball? first ball is bigger. So you have to circle first ball and second ball is smaller. So you have to cross out the first ball or second ball. We have to cross out second ball. Students, you do it do with pencil. In our second question, what is the second question? Write B for bigger and S for smaller things. So you have to write here B for bigger things and S for smaller things. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, जो बड़ी बड़ी पिक्चर्स है, थिंग्स है, उसको B लिखना है और जो छोटी चीज़ें हैं उनको क्या करना है, आपको S लिखना है. In first picture there are two animals. Which animals are there? Lion and dog. So which is the big animal? Which is big thing in this picture? Lion is big. So you have to write here B, and small is dog. So you have to write here S. And second picture, you should see this picture and tell me which is the big fish and which is the small fish. First one is big fish. So you have to write here B, and second picture is small. So you have to write here S. First is B and second is S. You also write in your textbook. And third picture you should see. First one is apple and second one watermelon. So which is the bigger and which is smaller? Apple is smaller than watermelon and watermelon is bigger than apple. So you have to write apple. What you write? S. And watermelon you have to write B. You also do in your textbook and show your parents and teachers also. Okay. Now we will take your second page. What is our second page? Take your open your textbook and see in your textbook. What is our next topic? Finding more or less. What we will do? Finding more or less. What do you mean by more? More means ज़्यादा and less means कम. What is mean by more? ज़्यादा. Less means कम. Today we learn to find more, less and some numbers of things. We can find which things are more and which things are less by keeping them next to each other. What we will find? Which things are more and which things are less by keeping them next to each other. In figure 1 we will see there are apples and oranges. In first line, how many apples are there? There are 3 apples. So you have to you also count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. And second line you have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples are there? 5 apples. 5 apples are there? No. There are 5 oranges are there. So which line is less and which line is more? First line is less. So you have to write here like this. Less. L-E-S-S. Less. And second line you have to write more. M-O-R-E. More. There are more oranges and less apples. We can also find which word has more letters by writing them next to each other. Means अभी हमने क्या किया था, पिक्चर्स में देखा था कि कितने एप्पल्स है लेस और कितने मोर है, यानी कि कहाँ पे ज़्यादा है कहाँ पे कम है. लेस मोर हमने ये 2 लाइन्स में आइडेंटिफाई किया था. अभी हमें क्या करना है, थर्ड फिगर में लेटर्स जो है, लेटर्स को काउंट करना है और देखना है कि कौन से लाइन में लेटर्स ज़्यादा है, कौन से लाइन में लेटर्स कम है. आज हम यहाँ पे अब क्या देखेंगे कि कौन सी चीज़ें ज़्यादा है और कौन सी चीज़ें या समान संख्या में है, वो हम आज यहाँ पे देखने वाले हैं. हाउ डू वी विल फाइंड मोर और लेस? वी विल फाइंड मोर और लेस बाय काउंटिंग थिंग्स. आपने ज़्यादा या कम कैसे पता लगाया है? हम चीज़ों को गिनकर ज़्यादा या कम पता लगाते हैं. सो वी विल सी इन दिस पिक्चर. So you have to count it. A-R-T. So you have to read this? No. You have to count it first. 1, 2, 3. How many letters are there? 3 letters are there. And how many letters are there in second line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means in second line there are 7 letters and first line there are 3 letters. So which line is less and which line is more? First line letters are less and second line letters are more. यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि लेटर्स यहाँ पे कम ज़्यादा है, लेकिन कम जब होता है तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? लेस लिखते हैं. कम अगर हो नंबर्स या फिर थिंग्स या फिर लेटर्स तो क्या लिखना है आपको? लेस. और जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लेटर्स या फिर थिंग्स हो तो हमें क्या करना है? वहाँ पे लिखना है मोर. कम है तो लिखना है लेस और ज़्यादा है तो मोर. नाउ टेल मी in this second question, which has more and which has less? You also count it like this. How many stars are there? First you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars are there? 6 stars in first line. And second line, how many stars are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Means there are 4 stars are there. First line there are 6 stars. Means there are more stars. And second line we will see only 4 stars are there. So you have to write here less stars. And second picture you count it like this. 1, 2, 3. How many butterflies are there? There are 3 butterflies in first line. And second line, count the butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means how many butterflies are there in second line? There are 5 butterflies. So you have to write first less. L-E-S-S, less. And second line you have to write more. M-O-R-E, more. फर्स्ट लाइन में आपको स्टार्स के फर्स्ट लाइन में क्या लिखना है? मोर. M-O-R-E. First standard students, we are going to learn math subject block number 1 part 2. How many more or less? In this point we will find how many more and how many less. How do we find how many more something has? We can count the things to see how many more and more or less. There are 3 apples and 5 oranges. Apples are less than oranges. Apples are less than oranges. And oranges more than apple. इस चित्र में हम देख रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट लाइन में 3 एप्पल्स और सेकेंड लाइन में 5 ऑरेंजेस, यानी कि एप्पल्स लेस हैं और ऑरेंजेस ज़्यादा है. We can also count how many more or less letters are there in word. In this second picture, in first line there are only 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second line there are 10 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means there are more letters in second line and first line there are less letters. कितने ज़्यादा और कितने कम हम कैसे पता लगाया? हमने कैसे पता लगाया है? हमने चीज़ों की गिनती की और फिर उसकी तुलना में ज़्यादा या कम या का पता लगाया है. In this picture also we will see there are more or less? No. There are same letters are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means there are 6 letters in each line. Means there are same letters. Now we will see these 2 questions in your textbook. First question is write how many more and less things. First we have to count these pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second picture there are 3 lollipops. 1, 2, 3. First picture there are more flowers and second picture there are less lollipop. Means you have to write here more and less. In the second question write how many more or less letters. In first line there are letters more, so you have to write here more, and second line there are less letters, so you have to write here less. Now we will see next page, making more or less. Making more or less means make more or less number of things. We can make more or less by putting more things or taking away things. We first count to see which group has more or less. Then we draw or cross out to make more or less. Today we will make more less and the same number of things. आज हम चीज़ों की संख्या ज़्यादा कम और समान बनाएंगे. In this picture, if there are 4 ice creams, we can draw 2 more ice creams, and there are 6 ice cream, we can cross out 2 ice creams, make 4 ice creams. Means यहाँ पे क्या किया है, फर्स्ट पिक्चर में हमने 2 ड्रॉ किए हैं और सेकेंड में हमने 2 क्रॉस आउट किए हैं. Now we will see in these 2 questions in your textbook. First question is draw or cross out 5 stars to make 5 stars. Did you make more or less? You have to make there more 3 stars to make 5 stars. So you have to draw here 3 stars more. And second B, draw or cross out hearts to make 2 hearts. Did you make more or less? You have to less. Means you have to write here less, and you have to write here more. In the second question, write a word that has more letter than the given word. Means you have to write here more or less. You can do it this question in your textbook.